Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide a clean way and right way to uninstall any software from your Windows. So you are doing it wrong. So some user just delete the icons from the desktop. But in this video, I will show you the right way how you can delete the software from your Windows. So pick the software from here, add and remove program or control panel. Tick this box and uninstall it. And 50% of the user do this on your Windows, but 50% users don't do this step which I'm going to show you. This is a normal way to uninstall it, but step number one is to uninstall it from here. And now press Windows and R on your keyboard or look for the run command here simply. And once you see the run command here, two commands you need to enter step by step here. Percentage app data percentage. The command I have in the description. You can click on this option, and now inside this app data folder, look for the folder or the software which you just uninstall. Click on that and press shift and delete key on your system. Shift and delete, just select the folder, and this will permanently delete your junk files from here. So we can reload it now, and it's gone now. Next one is again press Windows and R on your keyboard and hit this command, percentage local app data percentage. Again press Windows enter or OK key. Now again look for the folder, click on view and show hidden devices here. Make sure file extension and hidden devices is ticked, and then look for the same folder here. And once you select that folder here, just delete it. Again shift and delete. And once it is deleted, your step is not final yet. Work is not done yet. What you have to do is open this PC from your system, then your C drive, then look for the program files and look for the folder. Many folder remains here after you uninstall that. Look carefully here, then 86, and look for folder here carefully and delete that folder here as well. After you delete all the files and chunks from here, what you have to do is just reboot your system and see the difference. Your system will be running good, and by doing this deep cleanup, you ensure that no background cache, slow down your PC, keeping your system fast and clean and 100% optimized. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Also let me know if you already know this in the comment box.